Welcome back to Beautyistic. Let me ask you something. How many times have you struggled to clean those hard-to-reach spaces between your teeth? We all know how essential it is to maintain a good oral care routine, but flossing can be a bit of a hassle. So today, let's talk about something that might just change that: the GuruNanda Interdental Brushes with caps. If you've been looking for a better way to clean between your teeth, especially if you have braces, bridges, or tight spaces, stick around because this could be a game changer. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our honest reviews. And if you're curious about this product after watching, check out the link in the comments. The GuruNanda Interdental Brushes come in a convenient 4-pack with a fresh mint flavor that promises to give you a cleaner feeling between your teeth. These little brushes are designed to be used between teeth where there are spaces, and they're perfect for everyone, whether you have braces or bridges. What sets them apart is the flexible head that can bend up to 90 degrees, making it easier to reach those tricky spots. The ergonomic handle adds another layer of comfort, ensuring a good grip while you clean. Best of all, these brushes are reusable up to 10 times. Just rinse them after each use, and you're good to go. I've had the chance to try these interdental brushes, and here's how they worked for me. The first thing I noticed was how easy it was to get the brush between my teeth, even in those small spaces that regular floss just can't reach. The flexibility of the brush head is a major bonus here. It really bends to fit the contours of my mouth, making cleaning a lot less awkward. The handle was also super comfortable, which is crucial for a product you'll be holding and maneuvering for a few minutes at a time. As for effectiveness, I felt that my teeth were cleaner and fresher after using them. The mint flavor was subtle, but still gave that refreshing feeling, which is always a plus. The only downside I experienced is that the bristles can wear down over multiple uses, so you do need to be careful with cleaning them properly after each use to ensure longevity. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the GuruNanda Interdental Brushes are extremely easy to use. The flexible head makes cleaning so much simpler, especially for those tight spots that tend to get missed with regular flossing. The ergonomic handle is also a thoughtful touch, making the process more comfortable. Plus, the fact that they are reusable up to 10 times really makes them eco-friendly, and the mint flavor adds a nice touch to the overall experience. On the flip side, I did notice that after a few uses, the bristles could lose some of their firmness, especially if they're not properly cleaned after each use. This could affect their ability to clean effectively, so it's something to keep in mind. Also, while they're great for reaching those small gaps, if you have very large spaces between your teeth, they might not be as effective as other flossing tools. As for value, these brushes are definitely a good investment. Considering the reusability and the fact that they come with 4 in a pack, the price seems pretty reasonable. Plus, if you're looking for a tool that's both eco-friendly and easy to use, these brushes deliver on both counts. If you're on the hunt for alternatives, there are some interdental brushes out there at different price points, but I think the GuruNanda brushes hold their own. They offer great value considering their reusable nature, and they're perfect for anyone who wants a simple yet effective tool for cleaning between their teeth. In terms of build quality, the handle feels sturdy, and the bristles are soft but effective. While the bristles may wear down after a few uses, that's something to expect with any brush that's used regularly. As for longevity, the brushes are designed for up to 10 uses, which is a pretty decent lifespan for an interdental product like this. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As far as customer support goes, I didn't have any direct experience with the brand, but GuruNanda has a solid reputation for standing behind their products. If you've had any experiences with their customer service, drop a comment below and let us know how they handled any inquiries you had. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about alternatives. If you're looking for something a little more affordable, you might want to check out some of the other interdental brush options available, like the ones from Gum or Dentec. While they may not have the same ergonomic handle or mint flavor, they still get the job done if you're on a tighter budget. To summarize, the GuruNanda Interdental Brushes are an effective and eco-friendly option for cleaning between your teeth, especially if you have braces or bridges. They're easy to use, comfortable to hold, and reusable, which adds great value. However, you'll need to make sure to clean them properly after each use to maintain their performance. If you're looking for a simple, flexible, and effective way to improve your oral hygiene, these are definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the comments or description box for the link to purchase. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.